Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve some problems relating to quantity index number, but these questions are totally different from the previous one. They asked to compute an index number from the following data, but they does not mention the name of the person. It means there are 5 persons are there. Okay, you know very well. Laspeyres, Parsis, Marshall Edgeworth, Dorbish Bowledge and Fisher's quantity index numbers are there, but they does not mention the name of the person, okay, to whom they are want to conduct or compute the or construct the index number. So based on the given data, you can identify whether the question is related to price index or it is related to the quantity index number. How we have to identify the given question is related to price index or quantity index? That will be more easy. First see the problem, okay, whether they given, okay, the prices of the items relating to base year and current year, and they mentioned only the quantity relating to base year, then it is considered as a price index. It means clarification will be there. Okay, if they given, okay, P0 and P1 and they given only Q0, it means the prices of the commodity in the base year and the prices of the commodity in the current year, and they mentioned only the quantity in the base year, then these data are related to price index. But in this question they given, okay, quantity of the base year and quantity in the current year, and they given, okay, prices of that commodity or the items in the current year. So when the data are related to quantity, it means they given the quantity in the base year and quantity in the current year, and they mentioned the prices in the current year only. It means whatever the questions given, that question is related to quantity index number. Okay, this will be more helpful for you, okay, to identify the given question whether it is related to price index number or quantity index number. So items, prices of articles in the current year, number of articles produced in thousands. So they mentioned, okay, 3 zeros, okay, it is considered as, okay, thousands. If they mentioned, okay, only 2 zeros, then it will be considered as a hundreds. So in the base year and current year, then the prices of the articles in the current year, you know very well, the prices of the articles in the current year means that is P1. Okay, the quantity in the base year, that is Q0, and the quantity in the current year, that is Q1. You know very well. So A, B, C, D are the items, and the prices of the items in the current year, the quantity of that items in the base year, and is also in the current year. First, okay, identify these three, whether the given information is related to Laspeyres or Parsis. Okay, first, okay, what is the formula of, okay, Laspeyres? Summation of Q1 P0 divided by summation of Q0 P0. But that information is not available here. So move on to the next one. Okay, Parsis, okay, quantity index number. So formula of Parsis index number is summation of Q1 P1 divided by summation of Q0 P1. Yes, obviously this question is related to Parsis quantity index number. So prepare that one. Okay. Then how to calculate the, okay, Q1 P1 and Q0 P1. Q1 P1, okay, Q1, okay, P1 30 into 10, okay, 300, okay, 45 into 15, okay, 675, 100 and into 10 equals to 1000, 22 into 25, 550. Then we need, okay, the sum of Q1 P1, that is, okay, 2525 and then we will move on to the next one calculation. Okay, Q naught P1. Okay, Q naught P1. So 30 into 8, 240, 45 into 10, 450, 100 into 7. Okay, 700, 22 into 20. Okay, 440. Then we need the sum of Q naught P1. So summation of Q naught P1 is 1830. Then I also mentioned here, okay, here given information is related to passes quantity index. So write the formula of, okay, passes, okay, Q of 01 raised to P equals to summation of Q1 P1 divided by summation of Q naught P1 into 100. Then put the, okay, data relating to that. 2525 divided by 1830 into 100 we already calculated and I already mentioned in the problem. Then the final answer is 137.98 is the index of, okay, passes. Okay. Then we will move on to the questions relating to 2 marks questions they may ask in the examination. Okay, what kind of informations they given for us? Okay, let us see that one. Okay, given summation of Q naught P naught equals to 400 and summation of Q1 P naught equals to 500. Construct a suitable index. They asked to construct a suitable index based on the given data. This data is related to last year's quantity index. It will be, okay, very easy or more easy, okay, when you remember the formula of all the 5 persons. Then only it will be more easier for you. So Q of 01 raised to n equals to summation of Q1 P naught divided by summation of Q naught P naught is the formula of, okay, last year's quantity index number, and the informations given for you is also related to last year's quantity index. So we will prepare for, okay, prepare for that. So Q1 P naught is 500, okay, 500. Summation of Q naught P naught, that is 400, that will be mentioned here, 400 into 100 is common. Then 500 divided by 400 into 100, then the final answer is 125. Then we will move on to the next one. If last year's quantity index number is 170.4, they already calculated the index of last year's, and passes quantity index number is 171.6. Find Darvish, Wallace and Fisher's quantity index number. They given, okay, final answer of last year's and passes. So it will be more easier for us to use the shortcut formula of preparation of or construction of a quantity index. So they given, okay, Q of 01 raised to L means last year's, okay, 170.4. Q of 01 raised to P equals to passes equals to 171.6, and they asked to calculate Q of 01 raised to dP equals to question mark. Then they also they asked, okay, Q of 01 raised to F is nothing but Fisher's. Then write the formula of, okay, Darvish, Wallace, okay, shortcut formula. That is Q of 01 raised to dP equals to half of, okay, Q of 01 raised to L plus Q of 01 raised to P. We know the answers of these 2 persons, last year's and passes. Then put the answer of these 2 persons, okay, equals to half of, okay, open bracket, 170.4 plus 171.6. Okay, by adding these 2 you will get amount, okay, divided by 2, and then you will get the final answer, that is 171. That is the quantity index of a Darvish, Wallace. Then we will move on to the next one, okay, Q of 01 raised to F. It means Fisher's quantity index. Write the shortcut formula of Fisher's, okay, that is root of last year's index into passes index. They already given us. Then equals to root of 170.4 into 171.6. Okay, multiply these 2 answers and take a root of that. Then you will get the final answer, that is 170.99 is the final answer of a Fisher's. And another one example relating to that one. if last year's index is 236 and Fisher's quantity index is 238, then find passes index number they ask. And then write the formula. It will be easier because Fisher's quantity index includes, see here, Fisher's quantity index includes last year's and passes. Then it will be more easy for us to find out the index of a passes. They given last year's. So root of q of 01 raised to L into q of 01 raised to P. Put the answer of all the terms used in the formula. So q of 01 raised to F we already know, that is 238. So 238 equals to root of 236 into q of 01 raised to P, because we don't know the index of passes. So squaring of both the sides, it means 238 will be squared, because whatever the answers or whatever the index of the last years and passes, that will be multiplied, and after we will take the root of that one. It means this is already we rooted that one. So 238 will be squared now. Squaring both the sides. 238 squared equals to 236 into q of 01 raised to P. Take q of 01 raised to P, then equals to 238 square divided by 236. Then by squaring 238 you will get 56,644. Then divided by 236, then you will get the final answer, that is 240.0169. They given in the textbook 240.02. Thank you, and we will move on to the next problems relating to value index and also consumer price index and cost of living index numbers. Thank you.